When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Sick of splatter and the sting of hot oil? Meet Clarela, your stainless steel solution to preventing grease, oil, and spills from dirtying up your stove and counters. Rather than mesh, this rust-resistant screen has small round holes that allow the right amount of steam to escape, giving you that much-desired soggy-free sear. Works great as a lid to prevent boilovers, and you can even use it on the grill. Clarela absorbs cooking odor and captures splatters for safe cooking and a clean kitchen. So you can fry, saute, simmer, and braise while protecting your stovetop and your hands. Its large size and simple design make it an ideal partner for any pot and pan. Multifunctional, incredibly durable, and absolutely easy to clean. Put it to the test and enjoy a delicious meal minus the mess. Make a better life with Clarela.
Conveniently barbecue, smoke, or cook your meat like a professional with your smartphone using the ThermoPro TP25 4 Pro Bluetooth thermometer. Accurately track temperatures of up to 4 pieces of meat with the 4 color-coded probes, or set up 1 probe to track ambient temperature with a barbecue clip. Monitor your meat as it cooks to perfection with an advanced 500-foot Bluetooth range. If you move out of range from your cooking appliance, you'll receive an out-of-range alert on your smartphone, so you will always stay connected to your cook. Choose between 9 USDA preset meat settings that help you cook like a pro, or create your own preset. Track the ambient temperature of your grill and receive an alert if your temperature goes outside of the set range. Time management is key while you're cooking. With the Advanced Cook Time Estimator, you'll always know exactly how many minutes are left until your meat hits your set temperature, so you can plan your meal preparation accordingly. Secondly, the temp pre-alarm will alert you when the meat is 5 degrees away from being ready, so you can take your meat off the heat at the perfect time. We like to make things simple. The TP25 has convenient probe winders, so there's no more tangle of wires in your drawer while storing the probes. And the thermometer is now rechargeable, saving you money on batteries.
If you love to cook, then you don't want to waste time worrying about safety in the kitchen. You want to spend more time doing what you do best. The GNF Cut Shield Food Grade Cut Resistant Gloves protect your hands from accidents in the kitchen. They are specially designed for cut and slash protection from knives and food prep, so you can worry less and enjoy cooking more. Rated at the highest levels on the standard test for cut resistance in gloves, they stand up to the challenges of slicing and dicing in everyday work. The glove material is FDA compliant, so it's totally safe to touch food with. They are tough enough for high-volume commercial kitchens and a top-tier choice for home use, keeping your hands and your family's food safe. The cut-resistant gloves are made from our Cut Shield fiber blend technology, making them 4 times stronger than leather and impermeable to cuts. Slide a blade right over the fabric and you won't feel a thing. Knives, peelers, and mandolins are no match for the cut-resistant gloves. Get the Cut Shield Food Grade Cut-Resistant Gloves from GNF Products for your work or home.
This is Nutrimilk, the only patented processor blender appliance that can produce fresh, ready-to-drink alternative milks and tasty butters, dips, spreads, smoothies, and other delicious treats in as little as 7 minutes. With no overnight soaking, no heat, no straining, no rinsing, and no mess. Just perfect alternative milks every time. Nutrimilk is unlike any other appliance on the market. It's quick and easy to use. For example, to make almond milk, just add nuts, press butter, add water, press mix, then dispense. You're done. The motorized rotating wiper arms continuously push down ingredients so that you never have to stop and do so manually. And its 1800 RPM motor breaks down nuts to their cellular level, releasing the enzymes, in a matter of minutes eliminating the need for soaking while filtering skins with phytic acid in the process. When using the Nutrimilk, the nuts or seeds are processed into a smooth butter, resulting in very fine particles. When these particles are mixed and emulsified with water, the solution goes through a fine 100 mesh system that filters out larger particles, leaving the outer hull behind and resulting in a very finely filtered, smooth alternative milk. It also creates virtually zero waste, as the machine leaves you with nothing left over, just skins. It's also super easy to make delicious creamy nut or seed butters, dips, and spreads from virtually any nut, seed, legume, or grain with the Nutrimilk. Because it's manufactured at commercial standards and NSF certified, Nutrimilk will stand up to heavy daily use and is dishwasher safe with a 2-liter capacity, so you can make enough for a large family, coffee shop, or juice bar. You won't burn out the motor making your nut butters, and no need to spend time tirelessly straining through mesh cloths. So if you're ready to enjoy the benefits of fresh, wholesome alternative milks and butters instantly, you're going to love the Nutrimilk.